The Veeam Agent for Linux provides a very flexible way that you can back up and recover critical Linux systems. Whether you have one Linux system or many, the Veeam Agent for Linux can help you out. Let's take a look at a quick demo. So what we're looking at here is Veeam Backup and Replication. The organizational construct for Linux systems is called a protection group. I've given the protection group a simple name, and a number of simple options will also allow me to add Linux systems and then deploy the Veeam Agent for Windows easily. I'm loading a CSV file. This is an automatically imported file that will have a list of systems that I want to deploy the agent on. Whether you have some automation frameworks or a content management database or things like that, you can dynamically add Linux systems in for the backups. Now, I only have one system in that file, but if I had multiple, every day it's going to reload that file and discover them. And that's set right here. You can see that I have it set for 9:00 p.m. every day to load that file and find the different systems. And more importantly, I will automatically deploy the agent and, if needed, reboot that system. Pretty simple way to add Linux systems into Veeam Backup and Replication to do these awesome recoveries. So I have this running, and then this particular system is being backed up. So let's take a look at what that looks like. So along with all the other systems I'm backing up, the Linux system sits here. I can right-click on that and launch a number of different great recovery techniques. Probably my favorite and most versatile is the instant recovery. So let me explain this. This is a Linux physical system that if I had a complete loss of hardware upon, I could boot that up as a Linux VM within Hyper-V or VMware completely transparently. I can also pull guest files out, and if I wanted to, I could also send this image up to the cloud, more of like an emergency recovery, or it could even be like a test dev or analytics use case. Very, very flexible ways to recover data. So let's start doing that. Here is a session into a path on that Linux system. You'll see a couple of different files here, and this lun file is the one that I care about. So sfluns.txt here, let's clear this out, and let's just take a quick look or read at that file. Now, if you know anything about IT and servers and storage, this type of stuff is important. This is a set of iSCSI information for a different part of my environment, but nonetheless, it's a piece of data I care about. So let's go and delete it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that file. So sfluns is going to be removed. RM command will do that just fine. So let's go ahead and do that. So now that file's gone. So I'm going to look for all of my text files. I have two others, but not the one that I cared about. No worries, the Veeam Agent for Linux can help me out. Now I've loaded up the file level recovery engine, and here's that file system of that Linux system. So let's browse into that path. There it is, the data zone, the interlabs file share that I have, and here is a list of my files. There's that file I care about, sfluns. Now, other files are there. I could pick them up, throw them to other places. I could look for what I might think I need to restore. There's a lot of different ways you can pull that data out. So let's go ahead and overwrite it back to the source. So as you can see, this is finishing up, restoring that file back to the original location, and it went successfully with ease. Let's go back over there and take a look. Let's list out the file system again. Where are my text files? I have one more. Let's go into it and make sure that it looks right. Yep, that is the right name. Those were the other two. Now this is a simple example. There's only 3 text files, but let's also go in and view it. Again, I have that iSCSI information that I need. Very easy way that I can do these recoveries from a very versatile console inside of Veeam Backup and Replication. Now I could also drive restores from the command line if I wanted to for unmanaged agents. Many, many different ways you could recover. One of the other versatile parts of Veeam Agent for Linux is a recovery media. Now, it's not the most exciting technology until you need to use it. What we're looking at here is the boot media of a Veeam Agent for Linux system that might be a complete bare metal recovery. If I needed to do that, I could add a shared folder. I could connect into Veeam Backup and Replication to pull in those backups. I have a number of different options, including a service provider, to pull backup data from. So if I needed to do a bare metal recovery or a low-level recovery from a Linux system, I can do that with ease with Veeam Recovery Media. Additionally, I could even configure specific networking configuration to connect the recovery media for a specific situation. Just like that, the Veeam Agent for Linux is a very powerful way to back up and, more importantly, recover critical Linux data. Whether it's files, entire systems instantly recovered as a virtual machine, or quickly migrated to the cloud, or a bare metal recovery and recovery media to save the day, the Veeam Agent for Linux has what you need. If you like what you see, and I hope that you do, go on over to veeam.com and download a trial today.